read this question very carefully, and this question says that in one state the number of bicycles sold in the year 2002 and 2003, from 2002 to 2003, was 7,43,000. In the year 2003 to 2004, the number of bicycles sold was 8,01,100. In which year were more bicycles sold and how many more? So in 2000 and 2002 to 2003, the bicycles sold were 7,43,000, and in 2003 to 2004 it was 8,01,100. So the first part of the question, that in which year were more bicycles sold? In which year were more bicycles sold? So of course, since 8,01,100 is greater than 7,43,000, this amount is greater than this amount. Therefore, in the year 2003 and 2004, in this year were more bicycles sold. Okay. For the second part of the question, and how many more? How many more bicycles were sold in the year 2003 to 2004? It's just like asking that suppose you had rupees 1,000. Okay, you had rupees 1,000. Now you are having rupees 2,000. So how much more money you have got? Okay, suppose someone gave you some amount. So previously it was 1,000, now you have 2,000 in your pocket. So someone asks you that how much more money did you get? So the answer would be, I got 1,000 more, right? You got rupees 1,000 more. And how did you calculate that? Of course, previously it was 1,000, now it is 2,000. Therefore 2,000 minus 1,000, and this will give you 0, 0, 0 and 1,000. So I have now rupees 1,000 more than previously. Same thing will be here. In 2003 and 2004 you have 8,01,100. In 2002 to 2003 you had 7,43,000. This amount is greater than this amount. So how much more bicycles did you sell? So it is 8,01,100 minus 7,43,000, right? And the answer would be 0, 0, 1. This will be, you will get 7, here 5, and here. So 57,100. This, since it will come 0, right? This will come 0. So you will ignore 0. If there is 0 before any digit, you will ignore it. So 57,100. This is the number of bicycles sold more in comparison to the year 2002 and 2003.